encountered a TN6 file associated with serif software. This is a legacy font format from the early days of desktop publishing on Windows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these font files are and how to handle them. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one premier TN6 file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. TN6 files are font files from Serif's legacy desktop publishing applications containing typeface data used by early versions of Serif PagePlus and other Serif products. They store character glyph outlines, metrics, and font metadata in Serif's proprietary font format. Serif TN6 font files use a proprietary binary format, storing character outlines as bezier curve definitions with font metrics, kerning pair tables, and encoding maps. The format was specific to Serif's applications and predates modern TrueType and OpenType font standards. The guiding principle for opening TN6 is to use Serif Desktop Publishing Suite from Serif. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows organizes installed fonts alphabetically for easy management. Your first step in the technical sequence, right-click the TN6 file and choose Open With. Use Serif Desktop Publishing Suite as your first test case. If it fails, choose another program immediately. If you still can't open the TN6 file, it's okay. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the TN6 file is still stubborn, look for one of these three basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, using in Serif applications. If you have legacy Serif PagePlus or DrawPlus installed, the TN6 fonts are accessible within those applications automatically. The fonts appear in the font selection menus alongside system fonts when Serif software is running and the font files are in the expected installation directory. Next, converting to standard formats. Contact Serif support or search for font conversion utilities that handle TN6 format. If the same typeface is available as a TrueType TDF or OpenType OTF font purchase, or download the modern version for universal compatibility across all applications and operating systems. Finally, finding replacement fonts. If TN6 conversion is not possible, identify the font name and style from the file metadata and search for equivalent or identical fonts in TDF or OTF format. Many Serif legacy fonts have modern equivalents available through font distributors or may be included with current affinity software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.